Hey, I'm Sarah, and I was just sent this really neat little art project that you can do with kids of all sorts of ages. It's just these little pieces of foam that puff up when you get water on them. So it actually includes 2 different water pens that you just suck in the water from the top, and we've added the water onto this one already, and then 12 different colors of markers that you can then use to color your creations, and they just color really nice. I mean, you can see the way that it goes on there just blends in beautifully, and you can add lots of different colors. And then whenever you're done with it, you actually have little beads and hooks that you can then use these things for to hang them up on a backpack or even on a Christmas tree or anything like that that you want to do. We've got lots of different bead varieties here, but this is the cool part. So when you have your water and you just simply squeeze on this bottom part, whee! It's like magic. So that is so cool because you can actually puff up certain parts. Like if I just wanted to puff up, you know, the little head here and then leave another area, maybe not even add as much water to give it more texture there. But this is a really neat little project that you can use. Kids can use it. I mean, she can put it on there real easy. Look at that puff up. That is so cool. It's like coming to life. But this is a neat little set that you can give, and you've got 16 of these different little things right here that you can color and create. So use them as a gift, give them to friends, even use it as a school project. It's a nice little creative event that you can do at home or for fun.